It's Aquacast. It's glitter.
Mm.
And they're together. I'm so happy. So happy. So I made this. I wasn't even filming. So I had to make more. So I've got a shell piece, a starfish, and a
Conch.
One of those. And I'm using the obsidian fine glitter from Just Resin. And it is beautiful. It is a really nice glitter.
Is that because it's shiny and sparkly?
Might be. Might be. Might be. So all I'm doing is I'm brushing on straight to the mold the fine glitter.
Yeah. Now
you can do this with any fine glitter.
Okay.
Like a mica. Brush it on like a mica.
Okay. But you went for shiny, sparkly stuff.
Yes, basically. I didn't want a mica. I wanted glitter.
Okay.
Because I like shiny.
That is a nice glitter. I've not seen that before. I think I'm going to have to look out for that.
What do you mean you've not seen that before?
That pot seems to have been squirreled away somewhere.
I don't know what you mean.
Well, I'm surprised on two fronts.
Why?
One, that you managed to hide it from me. And two, that you actually managed to find it when you actually hid it from me.
Oh, no, I've been saving it. Anyway, it is beautiful because it's a proper seafaring sort of colour.
Yeah.
Because in some lights it'll look blue, in some lights it looks green.
I think that looks really good.
It's a real beautiful, beautiful glitter. So as you can see there, it changes. It's like a colour shift. Anyway, so all I've done is I've tried to sort of keep it very much to the
ribs,
the ridgy parts of the mold. And I'm not going to lie, I really enjoyed doing this.
I think there's quite something therapeutic about.
No, well, yeah.
Sometimes
it bores me. I'm like, oh, I can't be bothered with that. But sometimes it makes me really happy. This day made me really happy.
Is it because you were actually using a sparkly thing?
Do you know, it might be. It's difficult to say.
It's not really. It's not really.
I like a bit of glitz. I like a bit of glitter. So, with the starfish, it's got sort of a textured.
It's on its legs,
ridge,
isn't it?
Yeah, as you can see. So all I'm doing is, and I'm not being very particular about it. I'm not making sure that it's a full coverage. I just want a
hint.
Well, in some places I want a very small hint. Some places I don't want any at all. In some places I want it to be quite dark.
Yeah.
So I'm sort of splodging it on rather than brushing it in a artistic fashion.
Yeah, giving it a full covering.
Yeah, I'm just splodging it and then spreading it out a little bit. And I'm not worried if it's even or I want it to be quite organic looking.
Okay.
What was that look for? I just got a very funny look.
I've just never seen a green, blue, sparkly starfish before. That's all.
Well, you just lack imagination, my love. That's the answer to that question. Because
I think my imagination is quite healthy.
I don't think your imagination spreads to the shiny, pretty.
No, mine tends to go.
Yes, I know where yours goes. Anyway, let's leave it.
It walks away from the light.
Yes, it does. I am the light, and you're like the darkness. And this is what is it called? A conch.
I think that's a conch. Yeah.
Yeah. So with this one, I wanted it to be a little bit more obvious, and I just put it onto the end of it, the spirally end bit.
The tip. Just the
tip. That seems so wrong.
Why? You're the one that's doing it.
I know, but I just did the tip.
Okay.
So, oh dear.
Didn't take long, did it?
No, that really didn't. So, welcome if you're new here.
Yeah.
We are Kirk and Nikki. Sorry if you were expecting an alternative type of channel, but
a a professional tutorial.
Yeah, it's more of a here's how we did it kind of thing. So, surprisingly enough, I am adding Aquacast to this. So I've got, I think I made up, I think it was about 400 grams here because it's, there's a few pieces that I'm making.
Yeah.
So 400 grams, 105, I think it's 105 of water.
I don't know.
No, it's not, is it?
I don't know. So while
140 of water.
While Nikki is mixing this and trying to figure out what she actually put in there, I'd just like to say thank you to our Glitterati members for allowing Nikki to make shiny, sparkly things.
Yes.
And you get an extra special. Thank you very much.
Indeed. Now, I am using 2 colours, both from Homeware Design, and this is from her Earthware collection. So it's the olive, the Zen green.
Yep.
And I just popped in just a couple of drops for each. There was no rhyme or reason. I just kept going until I thought, it looks about right.
That's enough.
Yeah. So it's 4 of the olive.
Yeah.
And then on top of each other, I added 2 of the Zen green. And then just sort of tried to mix it round a little bit. I like to put my
put the stick in.
Put the stick into the dot to try and drag it.
So it doesn't just sit on the top. It actually goes into the mixture a little bit. Yeah.
So, and this is the bit that will horrify Kirk because I'm again not using the pointy end to pour my Aquacast. So you've got 2 options with a cup like this. You've got the spouted end and you've got the fat end. If you do it through the spouted end, you get quite a thin directional marble. If you do it through the fat end, you get a fatter type of that's all. And for these I wanted,
if that stayed like that would look really cool.
Well, thanks.
No, they look cool anyway. No, it's just
cool?
that pattern, that's all.
Rude.
It would look even cooler.
Well, thank you for that. So I did miscalculate, surprisingly.
Shocker.
And I just added all of the rest into the spare flower mould that I've got. And this is a good 2 hours later.
Okay.
Because I went and had some lunch. I was hungry. So this is the shell.
They're all shells, aren't they?
No.
Well, 2 shells. 2 shells.
This is the first shell.
Yep. Ooh.
And I'm like, oh, just keeping the suspense. Look at that.
That's nice.
Look at it.
I like that.
I was like, oh, I am loving that. I love those colours. I think the obsidian works so well with that.
Yeah.
I think what I might do is I might actually make, I might have a go and see what that obsidian looks like on a blue.
And the mica actually...
It's not mica.
All right, the sparkly things.
Glitter.
The glitter.
Mm-hmm.
The Aquacast picks it up all right, and there's no...
Yep, so the Aquacast picks up that fine glitter perfectly. It doesn't rub off at all. And you can seal it just like you can anything else.
Okay.
You can use wax. You can use the sort of liquid sealers.
What's that? Is that when you got the egg? Is it an eggshell one or something? I've
got eggshell. I've got satin. I've got some polyurethane, or I use wax. My go-to is wax.
Yeah.
I sometimes use polyurethane.
That looks cool.
Sometimes I'll use the hydro sealer, which is the sealer that Ellie can produce. And I've got the satin and the eggshell.
Yeah.
For those.
A plethora.
It just depends what it's for and what mood I'm in.
Okay.
Because they're all, you know.
They all do the same job.
They all do the same job. They all seal it.
Yeah. And then this is...
And this is the conch.
Conch,
whatever it's called.
Conch. I'm sure it's a conch.
Well, I don't know, but
it's a shell.
It's really pretty. But yeah, I was absolutely chuffed with these.
Yeah.
I really was. Because it's 2 of my favourite things ever. Glitter, Aquacast, together. So I think it's fair to say that it's highly, highly unlikely that there won't be an awful lot more glitter in my Aquacast makes going forward.
Yeah.
I think it's highly unlikely. I think it would be a miracle.
Well, yeah.
So, yeah.
And that one just came out.
That one was
plain.
very much. It's only got a hint of the green, but it was just an extra anyway. So this is. Now I left them to dry. I like to leave my pieces to dry for a good 2 days in this. When it's this sort of heat.
Yeah.
Because if you seal them before they've fully dried out, you're going to seal in that moisture, and it's not going to be very
Look at that.
good. But yeah, I was so happy. And then once I'd sealed all the pieces, it's just a case of putting I like to put little cork feet on all mine. And then we stamp our little name in the middle because we're vain. But there we go.
Yeah.
There is my
sparkly shells.
Sparkly Aquacast makes. What do you think?
I think you did a thing.
I've had a couple of really rubbishy makes recently, but these I did a thing, and I'm loving it. I am loving it.
Okay.
And on that note, let us know what you think in the comments.
Yeah.
YouTube will give you a video at the end of this one that you might enjoy as much as this one. Take a look. Other than that, thank you very much for watching, and hopefully we'll see you in the next one.
Yeah.
Take care. Bye for now.
Bye for now.